Valentine's Day is around the corner and I thought I would help you guys get some gifts. So this is my ultimate list for gifting for Valentine's Day in 2024. These are things that are trending, things that are amazing, and things that you want to get and things that you want to give. Let's go. Okay, so here's my top 10. Now, some of these are actual, like literal gifts that you can just pick up. Some of them are categories. The first one is an actual thing, which is the Adidas Sambas. Okay, so this was, I think, the sneaker, like one of the top sneakers of the year for 2023. Of course, there are many versions of the Samba. You know, the OG, which is the black or the white, which I think is the best option. I have the black, which I personally love and I can't stop wearing. I feel like even the Wales Bonner collabs are amazing. What I like about the Samba is I feel like it's a very universal sneaker because the black or the white is very basic. It's very classic. Someone who's like really cool, really edgy can pair it with stuff, you know, and style it like that. Also someone who's very classic and, you know, style it like that. So that's why I kind of like it because I feel like it's a universal sneaker as a gift. Like everybody probably likes it. The next thing is pearls. Okay, pearls come in all sizes, all shapes. They are amazing. They are timeless and I'm a pearl girl. I love my pearls. Okay, so I think, you know, as Parsis, we always love pearls and we always have pearls. Like a classic string of pearls goes a long way, and I feel like everyone should have one of those at least. And it's just really nice to see people wearing pearls in a really casual, fun, edgy way as well. You know, like you don't have to be like classy with like your blouse and your pearls or your sari and your pearls. You can just wear them now with the ganji and jeans also, and it looks cool. There's also so much different pearl jewelry doing the rounds. Like there's a lot of homegrown brands that I love, like Hanan, that has all these little heart pearl necklaces and stuff that are beautiful. There's Misho that does amazing stuff. So I really feel like getting someone some jewelry with pearls is timeless and it's just really, really beautiful. Now, what kind of pearls depends on your budget. Again, as I said, there are pearls you can get for like really less, and there are pearls that are really expensive as well. They are natural pearls or cultured pearls or just random manufactured, you know, fake pearls as well. But I just feel like getting someone a nice set of pearls is the best present for Valentine's Day, because it's going to be timeless. Like you will remember this 10 years down the line and be like, oh yeah, these are the pearls you had given me in 2024. Now I wanted to keep this like a mix of affordable and luxury and all things, you know, like how we've got pearls which are slightly expensive. We've got something cheaper. We've got the It round bag from Uniqlo. Now this was the bag of 2023. I actually did a video of what all would fit in this bag. I will link it here for you. I've used this bag a lot on my travels. So the classic one comes in many colors. It's affordable, and I think whether you're a guy or a girl, this is a great gift. You can give it to someone in their favorite color. They also have like now a crochet version and a faux leather version, which is more expensive, but it's kind of little like slightly cooler as well if you want to give them something different. But I feel like this is a really nice gift which people will use because it fits a lot of stuff, and I've seen so many people appreciate this bag. Like male friends who never used the bag and now they use the bag and they're like, oh my god, yeah, I fit so much into my bag and I love it. This is a great gift for someone and it's not very expensive, so I would totally recommend this. The next one is a little artsy. I love gifting art. Okay, any kind of art is amazing, obviously, and there's lots of affordable art if you're looking for stuff. One thing that I really love, and this is something I actually gifted everyone for a Valentine's Day, is the Claymen sculptures. They have the most beautiful clay sculptures. Now they do them in colors as well. The one in our house is the classic blowing kiss white one, which is just really, really cute. And I remember buying it from their studio when I was in Delhi for Weber, because it was a few weeks before Valentine's Day, and it's in our living room. They have really cute I love their different expression series, which like you have all these kinds of, you know, expressions. I think what would be really cute is also to give a person some expression that you kind of connect with them, you know, like if someone loves something or they always have a crazy big smile, or if someone's always sleepy, they have like a sleepy one, like kind of like having your emojis, you know what I mean? They also have really cute pink ones, red ones now, so I would totally recommend this. This is a cute gift, but it's also thoughtful. Now this next one I think is really on trend, and I think it's also something that will make some amazing memories for you and your partner. It's a single use film camera. So a lot of people are shooting on film again just for the look and feel, the aesthetic of it, and a lot of Gen Z is like, oh my god, this looks so cool and vintage. A lot of people my age actually had cameras with film, so we use them. But lately I've been using my dad's older camera that I got restored, and I put some film into it, and I'm just really enjoying, you know, taking pictures again. And what's amazing about film cameras is how much thought we put into a picture, right? Like with a regular phone or a digital camera, you just click, and then you delete or like remove pictures. With 36 pictures or whatever on your film, you're literally like, oh my god, I need to frame the picture well. I don't want to waste a picture. The beauty of this is, again, you're going to print these pictures, you're going to frame them, and it's just a really nice experience, I think, to just go around like your city taking pictures of each other and maybe do like a romantic shoot of each other, or like do selfies with a film cam, which is like really 90s and really cute. And yeah, you will always remember this year because you'll have the pictures. Then we have a beauty hamper. Okay, what do I mean by a beauty hamper? I mean like just put together a bunch of products that you know, your partner will love. Now, if you don't know what your partner really likes, the best way is to kind of snoop around their dressing table or their bathroom and see what they like, what they use, make a note of it, or take sly photos, and then go online, order it, and put it all together in a basket and like give it to them, or in like a cute little gift bag or whatever. Now, for those of you that have absolutely no clue and have no access to your partner's bathroom or dressing table, I will also put down some of my favorites, which I think everyone kind of likes, like, you know, a lot of the products that I think that really work. And again, the beauty of this is you can do it at any budget. You know, you can do like a low budget beauty hamper, you can do a extremely high budget beauty hamper. If you get a guy, you know, a really nice aftershave, some face wash, and you know, maybe a nice night cream, that's a great combination. Or for women, do like complete skincare or a mix of skincare and makeup. I would love that. Okay, now this one is very typical of the times that we live in. Get them something that's crocheted or knitted, okay? So, I mean, crochet stuff or like knitted stuff is really on trend right now. There's a lot of cutesy heart designs, like whether you're doing a sweater, you want to do a dress, you want to do a lot of floral designs, heart designs, which I think are really cute. And the reason why I'm saying this is because, as I said, this is unique to the year that we're in. And 10 years from now, when that person is kind of looking back at this gift or has it, they're going to be like, oh, you know, you had given me this when everybody was wearing really cool crochet stuff. And it'll again be something that has a story and not just a regular sweater or not just a regular top or a dress. And I feel, for me, Valentine's Day gifts always should be stuff that you can talk about even later, or that's really useful to the person or means something to the person. So I really think that today there's a lot of really cute knit stuff and crochet stuff that you can get, which is really nice and trendy, as well as you can have it for years and then be like, oh, this heart sweater is from them. Up next, we have subscriptions. Okay, we live in a digital era and everything has a subscription. Of course, there's sports subscriptions for people that enjoy sports. Like if the person's into F1, you know, Formula 1 is going to start. So whatever the kind of subscription is, if you can't buy it right now, write it in their card and be like, I will gift you the annual subscription for your favorite sport, which I think is a really cool gift. Or obviously, it's someone that likes to watch stuff online, then Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, everyone has a subscription, and I think anyone would be happy to watch more stuff, right? Like, at least I know most people are like, oh yeah, I have this subscription as well, it's one more. Or you can even do like a magazine subscription for someone if you want to go really old school and actually have like a physical thing as well. So I would definitely say that's a good option. Okay, snack baskets. Okay, now I'm talking about a specific one. I'm talking about a Korean snack basket. K-dramas, K-pop, K-food, K-beauty is everywhere. But Koreans have the most amazing snacks, okay? I might be a little biased, yes, but they still have amazing snacks. And like, they have great chips, they have great ramyun, like really fun, quirky drinks as well. So I think like a full Korean snack basket would be really cool, of course, for someone like me who's obsessed with all things Korean. Or if someone even likes to try different foods, they would really enjoy that. But of course, it doesn't have to be specifically Korean, but it can be like a specific theme. So if your partner is someone that's healthy, give them a healthy snacks basket. If your partner is someone that likes Indian chatpata stuff, you can give them an Indian snacks basket. So basically kind of tailor make it with a theme, again, that shows that you love them, you know them, you care for them, and you want to give them something that they like. And I feel like this is something, again, that you can DIY, which is really nice. You know, get your own basket, put stuff together. You have time right now to kind of do all this and then put it together, which is really, really sweet. Also for healthy snacks, like if you're looking for inspiration, we did a video on coupling. I will link it here. For Korean, we've actually done a Korean snacks also. Yeah, so you can do that and add lots of ramen to that and you're good to go. Last but definitely not the least, put a bow on it, guys. Anything with a bow this year will be amazing. Yeah, today I've got 3 bows actually. 1, 2, 3. Like, I'm very bowy today, guys. Bows have made a comeback, and how? Okay, so I think obviously hair bows are like the #1 accessory. There are some really cool hair bows with like longer, like, you know, ribbons hanging and stuff. I really like this one, which is more statementy, but it's short. Yeah, like I think this is a really cute gift. If you're on a budget, you can just even do one like hair bow. It's just really sweet with a card. You can clip it onto your card or something like that. Or if you want to do something bigger, you can do like a, you know, mix of bows, like 3, 4 bows, smaller, bigger, all of that. Or you can even do like clothing with bows. Okay, so there are lots of options. Like the other day I saw this top with a giant bow in the front. I will, like, as I said, link some suggestions below for bow lovers. And if you're not sure about what kind of bow your partner would like, or if they'd like a bow at all, you can still give them a small cute hair bow and add it along with your other gifts, you know what I mean? But think of 2 things. Think of what they like to dress like what is their vibe, what is their style generally, how big a bow you think they would wear, like you want something small, you want something big, you want something to make a statement, or just, you know, something that's cute. So if you want to just give it as even something for them to experiment with, it's cute. Like I wouldn't say it's harmless to send anyone a bow. Send me a bow for Valentine's Day. I will be very happy. So guys, those were my top 10 gifts for Valentine's Day. As I said, I've kept this very specific to 2024 with what's trending, with what I think could be a good gift for people. You know your partner the best, you know your budget the best, so kind of gauge and see, take inspiration from these and then do whatever works best for you. So if you liked the video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and add your ideas for Valentine's Day gifts this year as well in the comments. Maybe we'll get some more ideas, some fresh ideas in the comments. See you guys. Bye.